Welcome, fellow travelers. For years I've been crisscrossing Europe, finding those little ways to make travel smoother and smarter. And in today's digital age, well, there's a whole new world of travel hacks right at our fingertips. We're talking about using technology to unlock incredible savings, uncover hidden gems, and navigate your adventures like a pro. I'm talking about those aha moments when you realize you could be traveling smarter, not harder. So whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or just starting to plan your first big trip, get ready to discover the ultimate travel IT hacks. From snagging those bargain flights to staying safe and connected on the road, we've got a treasure chest of tips and tricks just waiting to be unlocked. So pack your bags, charge your devices, and let's embark on this exciting journey together. Trust me, your wallet and your inner techie will thank you for it. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, finding affordable flights. Remember those days of calling travel agents or endlessly refreshing airline websites? Well, forget about them. With the right tools, you can outsmart the system and snag those coveted deals. First up, Google Flights. It's like having a personal travel agent who scours the internet for the best prices. Use the Explore feature. It's like spinning a globe and seeing where you can fly for a steal. And here's a little insider tip. Clear your browser cache regularly. Airlines sometimes use cookies to track your searches, and might just bump up the price if they think you're really keen on that destination. Another trick up our sleeve is Hopper. This nifty app uses predictive algorithms to analyze flight prices and tells you the optimal time to book. You'll even get alerts when fares drop, so you can pounce on the best deals. Now if you're feeling adventurous and have flexible travel dates, Skyscanner's Everywhere feature is your new best friend. It's like a treasure hunt for cheap flights. Just enter your departure city and let Skyscanner work its magic, revealing a list of budget-friendly destinations. And speaking of hidden gems, have you ever heard of mistake fares? These are pricing errors made by airlines, and believe me, they can save you a small fortune. Websites like Secret Flying and Scott's Cheap Flights are your go-to sources for these golden opportunities. But here's the catch with mistake fares, you gotta be quick. These deals disappear faster than a gelato on a hot Roman day, so set up alerts and be ready to pounce when you see a price that's too good to be true. Finally, before you jet off, download apps like Flighty and App in the Air. These clever tools track your flight status, providing real-time updates on delays, gate changes, and even baggage claim information. No more stressing at the airport. Now let's talk about something equally important as finding cheap flights. Protecting your digital privacy while traveling. Think about it. You're connecting to public Wi-Fi networks in cafes, airports, and hotels, all potential hotspots for cyber criminals. That's why I always recommend using a virtual private network or VPN. Think of it as a digital shield that encrypts your internet connection, making it nearly impossible for hackers to snoop on your online activity. Two reliable options are NordVPN and ExpressVPN. They're like the Swiss Army knives of online security. And here's another pro tip. When booking flights or accommodations online, consider using a temporary email address. Services like ProtonMail let you create disposable email accounts, preventing your main inbox from being bombarded with spam, or worse, targeted by phishing scams. Finally, let's talk passwords. I know remembering a million different passwords is a pain, but that's where password managers come to the rescue. 1Password and LastPass are like secure digital vaults for all your login details. They generate strong, unique passwords and store them securely, so you only need to remember one master password. Now let's take your online security to Fort Knox levels with two-factor authentication, or 2FA. It's like having a second lock on your digital door, adding an extra layer of protection. Apps like Authy and Google Authenticator generate unique codes on your phone that you need to enter along with your password when logging into sensitive accounts. Trust me, it's a game changer for keeping those pesky hackers at bay. And remember, even with all these tech tools at your disposal, common sense is still your best defense. Be wary of suspicious emails, avoid connecting to unsecured Wi-Fi networks, and always double-check website URLs before entering personal information. Think of it this way. Just as you wouldn't leave your valuables unattended in a busy market square, you shouldn't leave your digital footprint unguarded in the vast online world. By taking these simple precautions, you can travel with peace of mind, knowing your data is safe and sound. Alright, fellow travelers, let's talk about saving money on bookings. Experience the heart of a destination without breaking the bank. Use tech to unlock hidden travel deals. Google Hotel Search is your new best friend. Think of it as your digital travel agent. Filter by price, star rating, and perks like free breakfast. Toggle the deals filter for special offers. It's like finding a hidden trattoria with the best pasta in town. Sometimes the best trips are the unplanned ones. That's where an app like Hotel Tonight comes in handy. They specialize in last-minute bookings, snag sweet deals on hotels for impulsive trips. It's like hopping on a train to a new city with a comfy bed. Not ready to book yet? No problem. Kayak and Momondo can help. Set up price alerts for notifications on price drops. It's like having a personal travel assistant while you savor a cappuccino. Now let's delve into the world of travel packages. Remember those old brochures with preset itineraries? Well, forget those. We're talking about customizable packages that bundle flights and hotels, often with extras like car rentals or even tours thrown in. Expedia and Priceline are two of the big players in the package game. They negotiate deals with airlines and hotels to offer you some pretty enticing prices. It's like buying your baguette and cheese together at the market. You get a better deal when you combine them. Plus, booking a package can save you the hassle of coordinating separate reservations, giving you more time to daydream about strolling through charming European streets. But hold on, there's more. Don't be afraid to compare prices from different providers. Sometimes you'll find a better deal on a package directly through an airline's or hotel's website. It's like comparing prices at different bakeries. You never know where you'll find the flakiest croissant at the best price. And here's a pro tip: consider traveling during the shoulder season. That's the sweet spot between the peak season crowds and prices and the off-season closures. You'll often find better deals on flights, hotels, and even tours. Plus, you'll have more breathing room to explore at your own pace, soaking up the local atmosphere without feeling rushed. Well folks, there you have it. A backpack full of tech-savvy travel tips to help you navigate the globe with confidence, security, and maybe even a little extra cash in your pocket. Remember, the beauty of travel lies in embracing the unknown, connecting with different cultures, and creating lifelong memories. And with these digital tools at your disposal, you'll be well equipped to embark on your next adventure with ease and excitement. Thanks for watching. If you found these travel IT hacks helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel tips and tricks. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the Go Globetrotters Travel YouTube channel to watch the rest of our important series. Life-changing travel tech hacks you can't afford to miss in 2025, must-have apps. Leave your comments below and subscribe to one another's YouTube channels so we can continue to share best practices and stick together within the Go Globetrotter community. Lastly, download this series to your smartphone so you have all these must-have apps at your fingertips when traveling. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.